Hey guys, today we are going to be making a craft that I saw called Buggles on the internet. They are magnets that look like little bugs. So in your kit you're going to get 3 magnets, 3 clear little gardening stones, little different colors of scrap paper, and you're going to get tape dots and a glue stick, and you should get 6 googly eyes. So to start off the craft, you're going to choose what scrap paper you like. I like this one. And you're going to find something to trace around the little magnet with. I think, so you'll need a pencil. So I'm going to trace around it. And then I'm going to cut out the little circle. Alright, so then you have your little circle and you're going to put glue on it. So you're going to put glue on the colorful part with your glue stick. And then you're going to stick it to the bottom of your little round bead. Okay, then here's the part where we get it to look like a little bug. You're going to take 2 of your googly eyes, and you're going to I like to sort of dig into the glue when I'm trying to glue something. If you have a hot glue gun at your house, use a hot glue gun with supervision, or, make sure it's okay with your family. It will stay better. But it will stay okay too if you dig a chunk of glue off and then, push it on with a lot of extra glue. I think I gave my poor little beast 2 different size eyes, so I'm going to go back and take one off and then do that whole thing again and stuff it on with a lot of extra glue. And there's extra glue, and I'm going to wipe it off, but I like to have like a big chunk of glue to hold things like googly eyes onto something glass, right? That's not easy. And once it's totally dry, you can clean it off a little bit better. So here's my little googly guy. And now we're going to make it into a magnet. So you're going to grab your magnet, and you are going to take one of the glue dots, and you're going to press the magnet against the glue dot. I'm going to make sure. All right, it sticks in either direction. So now your magnet will have a glue dot on it. And then you're going to take your little buggle guy and you're going to press the magnet against the paper. Now everything on this needs time to settle. Like, it's not going to be usable right away. The eyes will fall off, the magnet will fall off. What you really want to do is put it away for 24 hours. I know that could be hard, but you want to let it really dry. So that's all there is to this week's craft. I will include a picture of all 3 of my buggles when I'm finished with them. Bye!